Could you tell me a little bit about how you see the overview about cryptocurrencies, and are they real? Do they count? Can you invest in them?
Well, that's a lot of questions bundled together, Pimo. First and foremost, the underlying blockchain technologies enable the opportunity to create software that has embedded in it additional functionality. And the first application of that was Bitcoin, built on the blockchain technology, which is essentially intended to be a virtual distributed currency or asset. We understand, because we've read so much about it over the last few years, what Bitcoin is attempting to be. But I think what some people are unclear about is that this is all software. So when you ask me the question, is it real? The answer is no, none of it's real. It's all virtual. Right. And software raises certain questions. The first is software is infinitely copyable, and it tends to be subject to technological obsolescence. And so the issue then is, when you ask, is it a store of currency, for a specific piece of that software, you have to ask the question, am I sure that this piece of that software is going to be there in the future? Right. And that's the fundamental question when you come to crypto assets and cryptocurrencies. We don't know which are the winners. We don't know which ones will be the ones that we'll rely upon in the future. And so that's very different from traditional fiat currencies. The US dollar, whether we love it or hate it, is the only US dollar. Yes. And gold, as a precious metal, is the only gold. There's also other things, platinum, silver, and so on. But when you get to cryptocurrency, you can infinitely fork and copy them, so you don't know which are the winners. Wow. And so that means that as investors, we have to be very thoughtful about investing strategy when we apply it to something like cryptocurrencies and assets.